How is the going, guys? Mutemoya back again with another video. So guys, in today's video I want us to talk on how you can start or how you can start photography in 2023 2024, or how you can become a freelance photographer in the remaining part of 2023 and maybe the start of 2024. So one thing I actually did is use models to build your portfolio. What I used to do when I was starting photography is I used to text all my friends who I knew they were models or they were photogenic, and I used to send them these creative ideas, and then we used to come together and create them, and that's how I build my portfolio with models. So that's point number one. Point number two is stop focusing on growing your Instagram, or stop focusing on growing your social media or on your Instagram. This is one thing which really affected me, because I used to focus so much on getting followers and being known, but actually I never used to get well-paying clients, even having all those followers on Instagram. So what I did, I focused on sharpening my skills, and then came back with more better skills and more updated rate card, and I started getting more high-paying clients, more high-end clients. And yeah, focus on sharpening your skills, don't focus on growing your Instagram. Another point is start where you are. As you all know, I started photography in 2019. That's like 4 years ago, and that's also when I created this YouTube channel, and it's taking me so much time to grow on YouTube, but anyway, who cares? So I started photography in 2019. That's when my sister got me my first camera, and I had to start where I used to live with her, but I always had this dream of opening a studio. So what I did is I moved out from our house and then started living alone. But back in my mind, I wanted to own a space where I can be shooting all my clients. But I focused first of all on making money as a freelance, doing outdoor shoots. And then in 2021, December, I rented a bigger house and just made it my studio. And that's what I'm doing up to today. I just moved to a bigger house, and yeah, I shoot from my place. And start where you are, and you can make money, and maybe in future you'll open a bigger studio. Another thing is start with what you have. It's almost the same as start where you are, but this time start with what you have. When I was starting photographies, I used to admire these photographers who used to have these big cameras, Nikon D850, EOS R, the EOS R came around 2018, so I used to admire people using these cameras on YouTube. There was all over on YouTube. So what I decided to do is I started to focus on my Nikon D53. Got a better lens for that, and that camera is what helped me get all the other gear I ever wanted. And even right now I'm using a bigger camera, and it's because I started with what I had. So start where you are, and as time goes by you'll be somewhere. So guys, that's all. Those are the points I wanted to share with you guys. Point number one, use models to grow your portfolio, or shoot models first to grow your portfolio. Second, don't focus on growing your Instagram, focus on sharpening your skills. Another point is start where you are. Where you are. If you have to open a home studio, start there, and you'll grow as time goes by. And the other thing is start with what you have. Those are 4 major points which I really worked on, which I really focused on, though I almost failed in one because I focused on growing my Instagram. But all those points have helped me to grow my brand to where it is today, though it's not where I want it to be, but trust me, it's somewhere. And I do photography full time, it pays all my bills, and it's something I really like doing photography. So if you follow those points, trust me, you'll achieve something. And guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm really grateful for everything. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And guys, always remember, just start, just do it. Stop thinking of an idea, just start, and trust me, with time, as time goes by, trust me, you learn and you'll grow. And by the time you've reached maybe 4 years, 5 years in the industry, you'll see progress. By the time you reach 10 years, you'll be a big branch. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. I'm very grateful.